Why do Indians worship trees, rivers, and even the sun? Is it just religion or something deeper? From sacred groves to sun festivals, India's ancient rituals are deeply tied to nature. But why India? These rituals aren't just spiritual, they're ecological. Peepal trees produce oxygen at night, deciduous tree. Sacred groves protect biodiversity pawprints, and rivers like Ganga hold self-purifying enzymes. And tribal traditions, like Sarna, they treat forests as living deities, preserving nature without modern laws. Evergreen tree, place of worship. It's science hidden in spirituality. Nature worship in India isn't superstition, it's ancient environmental wisdom.